AfricaCom is the best event, telecom event in Africa.
It's actually the most important conference in Africa that I attend. This is the conference to be in Africa.
We're really becoming the main event for Africa when you talk about telecom.
We think that AfricaCom is like Barcelona, the Mobile World Congress for the worldwide telecommunication world. Well, AfricaCom is the same for the African market.
It's a great networking platform to understand what other operators are doing and how they are successful at what they do. So I think it's a wonderful opportunity to understand the industry and to reconfirm your strategy.
This is a growing market, and obviously Africa is, I think, in terms of revenue growth, the largest at the moment in terms of a continent. And for us it's definitely a great opportunity. And in fact, so far the experience has been great because we've had a lot of people from operators that will definitely be here next year.
It's always refreshing, cohabitation between operators, OTT such as Google this morning, local operators such as my colleague from Botswana.
Every time that I come at AfricaCom is always a great experience because for me it's a good opportunity to meet face-to-face the key players in the market.
For this market, the key people here, so I've met CEOs, CIOs, chairman of the boards here, so the quality of the people here is really, really high.
Very good, very well organized to be honest with you, and also I can see that smaller players are coming to the plate. If you look at BTC, we are here for the first time sponsoring coffee, and we are there playing in the space of the MTNs and the Orange Group, so we're quite happy.
You'll walk by all the big stands, the usual suspects are here. They're all interesting, but you probably know a lot about them. But what I like about here is there's lots of smaller guys who are much more agile, much keener to do business, and they're good. They know what they're talking about.
I think the focus on LTE as an opportunity for most operators to actually leapfrog internet penetration in Africa. I think this will go a long way.
Next year, I would expect a lot of focus on applications, on services, especially localized applications and services indigenous to Africa.
If you want to meet all operators in Africa in one place, if you want to meet all the main players from the service delivery, technology providers, and you have never been to Africa and you want to play a role in Africa, this is where you're going to find everyone who's involved. And so if you really want to invest in telecom or be part of it, then you have to be here at AfricaCom.
If you are not here, then you've not started playing in Africa.